video is about my hair issue or whatever. I can't do any more straight half wigs for a while, like, and this is the reason why I shied away from straight half wigs, because I know I have to add heat to my hair. The whole setting lotion and rollers, it really doesn't work for my hair. I just need straight heat if I'm trying to blend my hair with a straight half wig. And y'all know I love half wigs. They're so versatile and they look super natural. Now the last half wig that I had was the Sensational Boutique Bundles Kinky Straight, and it was gorgeous. The texture was awesome, the length was decent, I loved it, but I had to add heat to my hair. And I'm one of the people, like, as much as I try not to get my hair wet in the shower, plus me rushing because I don't wake up on time, so now I'm washing really fast, and so now I'm like rushing in the shower and I'm splashing water all over my face and all of that, and it's still getting my edges wet. So that's why when I wore that wig, I would like do like that little roll twist type of look, just to try to get some type of blendage with my hair and the wig. Blended, you know, I made the word up. To get some type of blend. But when I wanted to wear no twist, just the wig and my hair out, my hair was already like reverted, kinky, in its like natural state. So adding hair, I wore that wig for probably like 3 weeks, and I did not add heat to my hair every day. For one, I never had that much time to do all of that. Two, I personally do not like adding heat, a lot of heat to my hair anyway, especially on a daily basis. And three, even when I was relaxed, too much heat damaged my hair. Now here we are again. My hair is broken, I guess. I'm not broken, but it's definitely heat damage. See, like those straggly ends, there's no repairing it. I feel like once it's gone, it's gone. And I actually, just like an hour ago, trimmed my ends. I did not record it just because I don't really see myself as a person to watch or go to when it comes to like clipping ends, cutting hair, cutting wigs, none of that. So I did not record it, but it is plenty of videos on YouTube for you to watch. But yeah, this isn't gonna work. Like, this straight madness is not gonna work. And I feel like might as well clip it. You can see the line of demarcation. I'll do a close-up, but I'm trying to get it right. Yeah, just straight dead. There's no coming back for that. I don't think it is. And this is why I cut my, this is probably, I don't know how many times I've done this, but hopefully this will be my last time. My last time having to cut my hair like this because of heat damage. So there will be no more straight half wigs, unless blow drying I'm not too afraid of, but flat ironing is just not working for me. Like, it's really not. So we're not gonna do it anymore. If I do have a half wig, it's just gonna be like a kinky half wig. I can't keep doing this. Like, this is not even, this is slowing down the progress, you know? Slowing down the progress. I'm so glad that I'm glad that I went ahead and clipped my ends or whatever, just because it feels like a difference. And I know my hair always feels so light and airy and whatnot every time I shampoo it, but this time it just, the curls are popping, like, and I don't even really have curly hair. I don't have curly hair. I have kinky hair, but I'm afraid to cut too deep into this part right here. But it just feels better. It looks better. It looks healthier. It looks healthier, so yeah. Yeah, you can definitely see that I have heat damage. I don't like that. Straight, 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 and then kinky in the back. So, and I knew it was time to like not shave my head, but I knew it was time to get my ends trimmed, because every time that I washed my hair, it was so much hair, just like when I rinsed my hair or like when I combed it, it was just so much hair that was, I guess, shedding or breaking off. It was like apparent. I don't know what to do with this front. So this is all the straight hair. Well, most of it. I still have some in my hair, but I don't want to drop it. So yeah, this is just straight lifeless hair. Yes, no more straight half wigs for a while. I was thinking about doing a no heat challenge, but I don't even want to set myself up for failure. So I'm gonna forget that. But even touching my hair, like, I can feel where the new growth is, and it's super short. So I think I've done enough cutting for tonight, and I'm just gonna let it grow out a little bit and then gradually start cutting off this front portion, because I can see, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can see the new growth is literally like this long, and then the rest of it is just straight damaged. But I'm honestly afraid to cut it off, so I might have to go to my cousin and let her cut it off. She's a licensed stylist, so I might just have her do it, because I'm kind of afraid to cut too much off. Even if I did cut too much off, I wouldn't be crying about it, because y'all know I don't really care. Like, it's hair, it'll grow back, not a big deal.